Wow, today I am doing this multicolor head wrap and I am so excited. It's been a while I have not done this. So look at what I've got. 3 wraps, but placing them on my head, I do not want the red wrap to be exposed at the front. So I made sure I cover that up with these other wraps. So I am going to be doing a simple crisscross. That is exactly how, if you want to do a multicolor wrap, you do a crisscross however you want it. That which you want to be exposed, expose it. That which you do not want to be exposed, cover it up. It is easy. Anyhow you want it. There is no prescribed way of doing a multicolor wrap. And I can tell you, doing a multicolor wrap helps a lot with your dressing. There are times that you dress and your shoe does not actually match your dressing or your back. What you can do to make it up is to do a multicolor wrap with the colors you have on your shoe and on your back. And my darling, you become so gorgeous. So look at what I'm doing. That is exactly what you're supposed to be doing. I have these braids on, and if you do not want to show it at the back, you can always wrap it, or you can put it right in and cover it up completely. So I want to say a very big thank you to all my wonderful subscribers, those who have been there from the onset. If you have been watching all my videos, you know I am a pro when it comes to multicolor wraps. I am not boasting, but that is a fact. If you have not watched my videos on how I do multicolor wraps, just go back, watch my different videos, and you will see how I have been able to blend 1, 2, or 3 head wraps, and at times even 4. You can just use the colors you like and manipulate them, and you're going to enjoy everything. So coming back to this video, you can see how I have done my crisscross at the front, and now what I'm doing, I'm taking the wraps separately, holding them as a bundle and placing them all around, because I want it to be a bit higher at the back. So I have done the red, and I'm now doing the purple, and you can see the red is exposed. And when you take all of them to the back, what you have to do, just tuck it in anywhere it feels easy for you to. So now I am using this, I don't know if it's brown or white, whatever, but I am using this as the last bit to put it on top of that as well. So the thicker your scarves, the bigger your head wrap, and the thinner your scarves, the thinner or the smaller your head wrap. If you don't want to expose the braid, you can push it in at this point and you have everything covered up. Look at the front part. I didn't really want it to be on top of my brows. That is why I had to push it back. But if you want it that way, you can still keep it, because of course there are times I do it that way and I really do enjoy it. Please, if you're loving this wrap, why not touch the subscribe button and hit on that notification bell, so you're going to get notified each time I post a video. Henceforth, I'm going to take like 3 weeks from now doing multicolor head wraps, little tips that can help you. Look at that. Thank you. Love you. Bye-bye.